What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have this digital sport watch. It's called Honhx. It's made of silicone rubber, as you can see, cheap quality. We have here the start button, the light button. It turns blue but you can barely see it. The mode button, the reset button. We have the time, we have the date. The movement is quartz movement, water resistant. This is acrylic on top. Okay, let's try this watch. I'm a big guy. My height is 6'2", so let's see how it looks on my arm. Okay, adjustable band, feels good. There you go. See how it looks. Let's see how big is it with this quarter. As you can see, very nice. Very nice watch. There you go, guys. There you have it, the Honhx watch, sport watch. Oh guys, don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'll see you soon.